we can see here it's easy to take a glass of water and pour it from one glass to another. It's an easy way to transfer water. I'm wondering, can I move this water into this glass without pouring it? Okay, here are the tools I'm going to use. I'm going to use a glass with water, and I'm going to use a glass without water. I'm going to use a paper towel, and I'm going to use a little bit of food coloring so that way it's easy to see the water move. Okay, so I'm going to set everything up. I have my water, I have my glass with water and my glass without water. I'm going to put a couple of drops of food coloring in here so we can see what happens. I'm going to stir this up a little bit. We can talk later about how the water, even if we didn't stir it, the water would eventually even out all of this coloring. Let's see how pretty that looks. Yeah, you can see a little whirlpool in there. And now I'm going to take this paper towel and fold it. I'm going to put part of it here and part of it over there. And then we will wait and see if it moves. It is almost 24 hours later. I think it's actually 18 hours later. And you can see that the water is in this glass is almost up to the same level as the water in this glass. I'm also noticing that the colors of purple are almost the same, when earlier in the experiment this glass had a darker purple color and this one was more magenta. And I'm curious why the colors, I don't know why the colors transferred at a different rate of speed than the water did. But we will keep watching this. You can see this is still has a little bit of a pinker shade to it than this does, although they both look like grape juice. Well, sugary grape juice to me right now. We will look at it a little bit more later.